Saan na kaya yung partner ko? Of course. Ikaw na naman. Out of all people, ikaw pa talaga yung nakapartner ko sa review? Wala bang iba? Kung sino pa talaga yung pinakaayaw kong kasama, siya pa talaga yung binigay sa akin. Here, mag-aaral tayo. Pero wag mong isipin na matatalo mo ako bukas. Never. Not in this lifetime. Ayan na naman yung mukha mo. Parang lagi kang sure na mananalo ka. Yabang. Pero, alam kong puyat ka kagabi. Look at your eye bags. Don't even deny it. Kahit magtago ka sa libro mo, it's obvious. Oh, defensive agad? Classic. Lagi kang ganyan. Ready makipag-debate kahit sa maliliit na bagay. Parang hindi ka marunong tumahimik minsan. Nakakapagod ka rin, you know. Okay, quiz time na lang. Ako muna. Sagutin mo to. Letter A, letter B, or letter C? Not bad. Mayambag ka rin pala. Akala ko lagi ka na lang nagyayabang. Okay, ako naman. Bigyan mo ako ng tanong. Of course, it's letter B. Kita mo? Easy. Kaya mo ba yun? Don't roll your eyes at me. Alam kong impressed ka deep down. Ano yan? Nagsusulat ka ba ng score? Seriously? Of course. Ikaw nga, competitive palagi. Hindi ka mabubuhay kung hindi ka number 1. Alam mo ba kung gaano ka ka-obsessed? Pero, admit it. Natutuwa ka rin na napipilitan akong seryosohin to. I mean kasi, kung wala ka, baka chill lang ako. Pero wag kang assuming. Hindi ibig sabihin nun na special ka. Ha? Bakit ka nakakangiti ng ganyan? Stop looking at me like that. Hindi ako flustered. You wish. Don't smirk. Hindi bagay sa'yo. Ayun na naman tayo. Palagi kang may rebuttal. Lagi kang nag-i-interrupt. Hindi ka ba marunong manahimik kahit minsan? Lagi kang... Hey, what the... Ikaw, ha? Did you just shut me up by harassing me? You're unbelievable. Wag kang ngumiti ng ganyan. Hindi ako natutuwa, okay? I'm definitely not happy with this. Don't even think na gusto ko yung ginawa mo kasi hindi. Absolutely not. What? Why are you staring at me like that? Stop it. Hindi ako namumula. Imagination mo lang yun. Ang kapal talaga ng mukha mo. Okay, fine. Admit ko. Medyo effective yung stunt mo. Pero, hindi ibig sabihin na ito-tolerate ko yan. Hindi ibig sabihin nun na nanalo ka. Huwag kang assuming. Don't get the wrong idea. Alam mo, nakakainis ka. Pero, somehow, you make this whole studying thing less boring. Nakakabwisit kasi ang yabang mo, pero at the same time, I can't really ignore you. Kahit anong pilit kong i-deny, lagi kitang napapansin. Don't look so proud. Wala lang to. Hindi ibig sabihin na may gusto ako sa'yo. Wala. As in, wala. Okay, fine. Maybe onte. Pero, hindi ko yan naaminin yan sa'yo. Pero tandaan mo, bukas sa exam, kalaban pa rin kita. Okay? Kahit anong gawin mo, hindi mo ako matatalo. And, if you ever try to kiss me again, just shut me up. Hindi ko alam kung tatanggi pa ako. Pero, hanggang dun muna. Just, let's just study, okay? Like, here, page 42 sa Prikat. And, what? Why are you laughing at me? I'm just trying to, nagre-review nga tayo, diba? May isang oras na lang tayo. Okay, next subject na natin. We should do it. We should focus this. Kahit kalaban pa rin kita, wala akong pake sa'yo. Why am I sharing notes with you? Oh. Your notes, my notes. I don't care about yours. Stop distracting me. It's annoying. I'm trying to write here. Stop teasing me. Okay. Hey! Akin na yung notes ko. Ngayon na. Akin na. Uy! Shh! Hey, we're on the library. Walang magagawa yung sorry mo. Akin na nga yung notes ko. Manghingi ka na lang sa iba. Wag sa akin. Why are you writing in my notes? Anong ginagawa mo sa notes ko? I like it when you... I like it when you're Blushing? I'm not blushing. Okay? Burahin mo nga to. I don't have any eraser on me. Wag kong burahin? No! It's distracting me from my studying. Okay? Sana. Okay. Ko kasi. Ihip na. Wala yun. Magre-reply ako. Ayoko nga. Okay. Magre-reply ako. I hate you. Exclamation point. Oh, ayan. I hate you. Or at least